Get this amazing game for free today, Kingdom Come Deliverance. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, just open your Epic Games app like me and move here to store. Scroll here down to Mystery Games and you will see today's free Kingdom Come Deliverance. All you need to do to get this amazing game, just click on it and go here get. Check this and go place order. And you will see thank you. And get for free Kingdom Come Deliverance on your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get free PC game. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.